My advice, never make your wife for the club, ho. Work hard, up by the city pass, never be afraid to look your enemies, got my show. Tell them what they... Tell them suckers get off, especially when they're standing on your way. Wanna be happy for the rest of your life. Never make it free, woman, in your life.
Ukukito, huyu muntu engamboni. Alele tunani le asho le. Kaliz. Ajo. Act 1 scene 1 shoot video ya Ayipheli ngiyafika. Ngakito la iChemTech la shoot la khona. Ngiyabona kuhle se6 Paradise. Stani Island. Yamoza la me ujumpa ama bridge ngomuza ngapha anyway mele jump bridge. Usitshele ngomswenko le. Angazi mfana abantu bangigqokisile abo trip board bangigqokisile ama trip board.
Okay, and we're rolling.
It's the wind.
I got it.
It's gonna be flying.
Come on!
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. 5, 4.
Clearly, dining room got Queen of London. One Queen of London.
Nice.
Queen Elizabeth.
It's one Queen of London.
Eliza maga give birth to Elizabeth.
Excel Maraza, to shoot another Scotland while I 6 about Makwa. It's Makwa Ayipheli featuring myself and Upova, Super Mega, aka who's probably on the way right now. So it's gonna be a good time, man. It's been a great year. Makwa and I have done a lot of projects together. There was Ugesi, there was le ayithatha ngomuthi wa ushangani makho noma ngalo ngomuthi wangakubo. But today we're doing the Ayipheli. Next year, 2020, we're going to be dropping an EP together. I'm almost positive of that. So look out for that.
Yo, what's up? It's Meg. I'm out here in K1. We're in K1 now?
Yeah.
Ayipheli shoot with Makwa, Maraza, myself, Super Mega. Young is also out here, so Quest out here, you know, the kids. And yeah, man, we're gonna shoot a video for the joint. What more is there to say?
I step in the party with the Chico, the beast mode. My thumbers on to keep the drinks cold, the sip slow. Got grind. 100 pre-rolls, the diesel. I'm high like an eagle, it's legal.